Start your computations.
I think we're getting into a weird area here.
Maybe.
I stopped biting my nails. I don't wear shirts with stains. I won't complain when I fail. I only yell when it pains. How can you not love me now? How could you not love me now? How could you not love me now? How could you not love me now? I know I'll get over it. I'll close my eyes when I pray. Stop being a hypocrite. Feeling like crushed by the weight. How could you not love me now? How could you not love me now? How could you not love me now? How could you not love me now?
She doesn't text me on the weekend. Don't wanna know what she's up to. Calm down. If I close my eyes and focus on my own mind for a while, then it doesn't matter. This love's all I remember. And if it's only for the night, then that would be alright, yeah. And when you're laying there beside him, I hope you crack a smile and think he's no competition. He's no competition when you're with him. His touch, his kiss, your name on his lips. He's no competition. I'm the one you're missing. Oh, I'm the one you're missing. Oh, I'm the one. I always knew that we were different, but I never thought that we'd survive this distance. If I close my eyes and think about all of the times that we said, now that I found it, I just can't live without it. And if it's only for the night, then that would be alright, yeah. And when you're laying there beside him, I hope you crack a smile and think he's no competition. He's no competition when you're with him. His touch, his kiss, your name on his lips. He's no competition. I don't know how much longer I can do this. I'm scared to death to lose you, but the truth is, when I'm alone at night and things ain't right, I need to hear you say it, don't lie. He's no competition. He's no competition when you're with him. His touch, his kiss, your name on his lips. He's no competition. I'm the one you're missing. 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 I'm the one.
If this is a war that you are fighting, I wanna be on the front line, with swinging swords and arrows flying. I would die to be where you are, going down in arms. God only knows what they're conspiring against the innocent and pure. 'Cause everywhere we go, they build hospitals and cemeteries, but they don't even know we got treasure they could never bury. And when I hold you close, the truth becomes a lot less scary. 'Cause you give me a reason to be strong. Wake up with a nightmare and dream on. You make me believe there's a cure for this fever. For this fever. God only knows that they've been trying to send me down that slippery slope. But we are young and death defying, and we got so far to go. Cause you give me a reason to be strong. Wake up with a nightmare and dream on. And you make me believe there's a cure for this fever. Finally you're free. Save a place for me. I couldn't sleep, lost in the dreams we never could complete. I wanna be where you are, but I can't follow. I'd rather live in the past than face tomorrow. Every time I look in your eyes, it gets harder, it gets harder. I'm never good at saying goodbye, and it gets harder, it gets harder. Ooh. Brother, I tried, but I'm still yet to find the answer that I need. I keep searching endlessly, stuck in rewind. Summer or night, oh, play it back for me. I wanna be where you are, but I can't follow. And maybe this is the pill that I can't swallow. Every time I look in your eyes, it gets harder, it gets harder. I'm never good at saying goodbye, and it gets harder, it gets harder. Ooh. Every time I look in your eyes, it gets harder, it gets harder. I'm never good at saying goodbye, and it gets harder, it gets harder. Swords and arrows fly, I would die to be where you are, going down in